Well, Coasters, another presentation from the 2019 Minerals Forum was Blackwater Gold Mine, a company called Tasman Mining. And it's the redevelopment of a high-grade gold mine that was the former Waiutu mine. I'll kick off with a disclaimer. Tasman Mining was established by Mark Messurier, and its purpose is to build a new gold miner in the marketplace. So they've entered into an agreement with Oceana Gold, and part of that was securing the Blackwater as a cornerstone asset. Company's currently privately owned. So the Blackwater is the foundation asset. It's 20 kilometres south of Reefton. It's very high grade, actually 23 grams per tonne. Those of you that know about underground gold mining, you will be impressed. More than $13 million has been invested so far in exploration by Oceana Gold. And of course it's in an area which is famous for underground mining of coal. And a mining permit was approved in December of 2018. Now there's been a bit of drilling done. There's been 6 drill holes there which have confirmed that the deposit continues at depth. Every hole intersected gold mineralisation. And in some of the drill holes, and here's the best ones, 23.3 grams. How about 85.2 grams per tonne? Staggering. 134, 64. And they intersected gold 650 metres below the base of the historical workings, which indicates that the mine continues to just continue going downwards. This is great news for Reefton. Now they've done a preliminary economic assessment. They've had a look at the cost of capital. It's going to cost $76 million for the project capital. So a pretty good rate of return. They're predicting 22%, which in today's market is huge, and keeping in mind, of course, that gold mining is very risky. So Tasman Mining have a development strategy, and they're working 3.3 kilometres underground and building a twin decline from private land. So all of the works in this project are on private land. There's the investment timeline, taking us right through to 2034. And of course, the thing that most people in Reefton will be wondering is, when will it go into production? With a fair wind, 2023. Number of questions that any reasonable person would ask when you were talking about this project. You talked about the opportunities and the value add. And then the summary, which was, it's a very high grade deposit, 23 grams per tonne. The area, and in fact the shaft they're in, has a history of successful mining, right through to the 50s. It's deep drilling. Now keep in mind, it's not coal mining, quite different. So the dangers Very, very different. You haven't got gas, you haven't got coal falling on your head every 5 minutes. And they've got in place an exclusive rights agreement with OceanaGold. And it's quite surprising, the land use is limited to 60 hectares. It's all private land. There will be no disturbance of dock land. Gold recovery projected around 96%. It's about a little bit higher than normal. Projected cash flow from the project about 300 million US. So there's the pathway that has been followed so far, and it's projected to be followed. So folks, that was a pretty exciting presentation, and I think the most important thing to know about this project is that these people know what they're doing. Their partners are substantial, and best of all, the gold is in the ground. So I'm picking this is going to have a very successful outcome. We'll catch you later.